If you are getting a P0171 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. This means that the PCM is relaying that the engine is receiving too much air into the combustion chamber and not enough fuel. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, vacuum leaks, clogged fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, clogged fuel filter, faulty fuel pressure sensor, exhaust leaks. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix this error code at home. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error code comes in various car brands like Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevy, Nissan, and many more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.